In this video, we'll be talking about proper roof replacement, including tear-off, ventilation, underlayment, and more. The old roof shown here is at its 20-year mark. Here you can see that we're building a tie-in porch gable here. We start by assembling the carrier beams at the bottom and the ridge beam at the top. Takes quite a few guys to get it in position. As you can see, it's very difficult and time-consuming to get it positioned and situated properly. We have all of our carpenters here working together to get it just properly positioned so that we can begin building this new covered porch. The guys tear off the shingles where the lay-on gable addition is being installed. You see the carrier beams rest on the exterior wall of the home for load distribution. Of course, you see our new posts here on the front, and now your porch gable has been completely built. Here we install underlayment on the wall, MI Remodelers exclusive synthetic siding underlayment. Now we have our delivery of all the materials. Notice that we have a big rig so that we can bring pallets safely up to the roof. It's much safer to load and unload shingles, especially on a day where there's snow, having this fancy equipment. The alternative would be that you'd have to pay hourly workers to labor all that material from the ground up onto the roof. Having access to machinery like this speeds up the process. Check out our underlayment here. All black ice and water shield is what we've installed here. This roof had some wood replacement, but not a lot. And so we were able to put down all ice and water shield. This material ensures that the roof will be watertight without even having shingles on it. We installed all ice and water shield on this roof due to the low slope. Because it has such a low slope, water, snow, and ice collect more on top of this roof than an ordinary roof. This home has 2 chimneys, and chimneys are the most popular place for a leak. We spend extra effort and attention replacing all flashing. That's step flashing, counter flashing, apron flashing. All metal gets replaced, even the drip edge, all around. This ensures that we don't have a leak that could have been avoided around a chimney, where leaks are very popular. A small army of installers are out here working to accomplish in one day a complete roof replacement. The heavy rolls of ice and water shield are rolled out, fastened to the deck. This allows us to have a guarantee that if we cannot get this roof completed in one day, that there will be no interim leaks. Notice how our workers work safely as a team to move the material as needed so that the other workers are not delayed. It's really important, especially in the winter, that a roof is not open any longer than it must be. So the equipter on site really speeds up the process for us, allowing us to get 10% more production out of our entire staff. That equipter runs the material, the tear-off debris, from the rooftop to the dumpster, which is about 75 feet away. The quicker we get all the materials removed and out of the way, the sooner we can get new material on and make sure this roof is weather tight. This is not a new construction home, although we're doing a big remodel here and constructing a new porch. And so it's essential that this roof is fully weathered in before the crew leaves today. See the beautiful shingle color that we selected. This is a maximum definition shingle, and it's nearly twice as thick as the economy level shingles that are out there. Also take a look at this snow trap. A snow trap is where there's a flat area where a valley comes together, and that's an essential place that has to be roofed correctly. We used a flint-lastic flat roofing product for this area, and we put down a 2-ply system, a base sheet and a top sheet. The top sheet looks like granules of shingle, but it's a rolled product. Why does that matter? The proper roofing system accessories. Flint-lastic is a flat roofing product, and it's designed to tie in and marry the landmark shingle roofing system that we've selected. And finally, look at this after picture. Look at the beautiful cap shingles, the beautiful field shingles, all the new ventilation that we added, and check out that snow trap over there. That flat roofing area is one of the most popular places to leak on a roof like this. And so we have aced the details, nailed all the specifics. This is a roof that is going to last decades. Flashing and counter flashing, high flow ridge vent, 5 nails per shingle. We relocated the vents that were too close to the valley where our new porch ties into the existing roof. We position those vents farther away from the valley where we know snow is going to build up. That's just a defense toward the chance of a future leak that we can prevent. We love hitting every nail on the head and planning and executing a fantastic roof installation. I am proud to inform you that this roof right here is going to last decades and should never have a leak.